In a world that often demands so much from us, finding true healing, be it emotional or mental or physical, can seem like a distant dream. Yet it is within this dream that we find the essence of our journey together. This month, I invite you and extend to you a unique and deeply personal invitation to experience transformation like never before at our exclusive Energy Mastery Healing Clinic. Imagine a space where the layers of stress and discord gently fall away, revealing the radiant, healed self that resides within you. Our clinic is not just an event, it's a sanctuary of healing, of offering exploratory and powerful sessions tailored to meet you at your point of need. This is your moment to connect with an aspect of yourself longing for attention and care in a setting dedicated to nurturing profound, deep healing and growth. I understand the leap it takes to embrace such an invitation and opportunity, especially if you've been contemplating the right moment to engage with us even more. Let this be your sign, gentle nudge towards saying yes.